Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing well and everything is good with you and your family. So today I am doing swatches and a tutorial with the Morphe 35TE Tease the Season palette. So I'll go ahead and get started with the swatches. And so with swatching the palette, the mattes were really smooth. I did find that with some of the asterisk marks for the matte shades, those felt a little tad bit drying, but everything else was pretty smooth. I really loved the shimmers, and some of them look like they're glitter finishes, like almost like a metallic eyeshadow, and it's just so beautiful. So this is what it looks like up close. You have a whole row of mattes this way, shimmer shades, another matte row with a pop of glitter right here. Then this row is more like a glitter shimmer finish, and then the darker mattes. And so what's beautiful about this palette is that you could create like a cohesive look with a row going this way. So if you wanted to do like a neutral gold look, you would do this row, and then here's a pink row right here with the glitter shade that way. And overall it's just beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the tutorial, and I'm going to be using the brushes from Sigma. This is the E40 and the E25. And so I'll go ahead and insert music just because I love tutorials with music, and why not put something holiday-like. so yeah. Also, I did prime my eyelids with the Zoeva eye primer in the matte version. So to finish off my look, I am going to use the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Lip Gloss. It definitely has like a light vanilla scent. And a sweet light vanilla taste as well. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the end of my whole look. So for the metallic shade on my eyelid, I thought it worked beautifully with all the colors I put together. And the dark shade that I used, it looked intimidating, but on the lid it pretty much sheared out, and you could definitely build it up to make it look darker. But I'm super happy with the palette. I can't wait to complete more looks later on. And so with that, my friend, I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. May God bless always. Be safe, be well, and I hope to see you in my next video real soon. Bye for now.